Hi and welcome. Today I want to share with you my own experience with the best service in the web hosting category. After testing many web hosting services, I've chosen the most reliable one for me. It is the most popular among users and has a great tools for beginners. I've been using this hosting for more than 7 years now and it has never let me down. In this short video, I'm going to show you a few secrets that only few people know about, but which make it really one of the best in the best web hosting category. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like, put a comment, and let's jump into business.
Hostinger is clearly the cheapest service available today, with subscription prices starting at $1 per month. No other providers can match these prices, as most of them offer a basic plan up to 5 times the price. If you think this is a hoax, then you're wrong. But here's what I'll tell you in secret. To pay the least, you need to subscribe to Hostinger's services for several years. This is a really smart decision when the service provides quality services. Your website visitors do not see how much you pay for hosting services. They only measure the page loading speed and the availability of your site at any given time. Also, users want to be sure that their personal data is reliably protected. Due to the low cost of services, I immediately had a suspicion that the Hostinger service might lose in quality of functions and level of performance. Of course, I don't mind paying half of what competitors take, but I wouldn't like to receive only half of the same services. Fortunately, everything turned out to be not so scary. Hostinger service plans have everything you need for the site to work, a sufficient amount of resources and tools that improve site performance. There are 3 joint tariff plans available: single, premium, and business. All 3 provide the user with their own Hostinger control panel, which has a simple auto installation of WordPress and dozens of other CMS systems. 2 advanced plans offer unlimited network bandwidth, unlimited mail accounts, and unlimited website support. Additional bonuses not included in the single plan include SSH access for Linux developers and unlimited child domains and databases. Daily automatic backups are an important feature that basic plans don't have, meaning you will need to backup manually or buy an additional add-on. Hostinger offers a drag-and-drop builder called Zyro, but it's not included with hosting plans. Before jumping into the best features of Hostinger, it's worth talking about VPS and cloud plans. Hostinger is primarily a shared hosting provider. The H-panel dashboard offers all the basic features, but no advanced features. Hostinger has developed its own control panel, meaning you will have to part with the familiar cPanel. From automatic installation of additional systems and setting up DNS zones to email account, file manager, and MySQL databases, you will find everything you need in Hostinger's own control panel. All this is offered by the familiar cPanel control panel. But there are also differences. For example, automatic installation of system through the cPanel is carried out using the Softaculous library, which also helps to clone a site, set up an intermediate version, and backup schedule. The H-panel automatic installer does a great job of installing WordPress, but it lacks useful add-ons. Lightspeed is not a physical metal server, but the web server management technology that Hostinger uses. As one of the longest-standing web hosting providers on the market today, DreamHost knows the thing or 2 about hosting options, availability, and customer support. One thing that sets DreamHost apart from the rest is that they offer you the option to pay monthly rather than annually. DreamHost also doesn't increase the price when it's time to upgrade. Plus, their 97-day money-back guarantee gives you a total peace of mind. DreamHost offers some of the latest speed technologies to ensure your site loads fast. Your site's solid-state drives, files, and databases are stored on SSDs, which are much faster than HDDs. gzip compression enabled by default on all tariff plans. OP Cache caching. OP Cache is PHP's built-in caching engine and is also enabled by default. Content delivery networks. Cloudflare is a CDN service that protects and accelerates your website. DreamHost is a Cloudflare's optimized hosting partner. PHP 7 is the latest version of PHP that offers better performance and fewer resources. The DreamHost team knows how difficult it is to create a website from scratch, especially if you don't know the code. This is why they offer all their clients a Remixer website builder to create unique websites designed to drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. Here are some of the features that come in your built-in website builder. Unlimited website creation under one hosting plan, no page limits, mobile themes, custom colors and fonts, assigning a domain name to the Remixer site, access to free professional-looking stock photography, built-in SEO optimization, personal media library that allows you to publish photos, videos, and audio on your site. It's very easy to create a website from scratch if you use its exclusive website builder. DreamHost not only offers free domain names with hosting plans, they also include a lot of additional features, making the deal a little nicer. To get started, use the handy domain name search bar to find the perfect URL for your growing website. Registering your domain name with DreamHost is the easiest solution if you also use it as a hosting provider. However, if you have a domain name with another company, you can easily transfer it to DreamHost when you're ready. It's rare to find a hosting company that provides a true 100 uptime guarantee. And yet, DreamHost does it somehow. By leveraging multiple data centers to handle the load and any threats of downtime, overcooling, emergency generators, and constant server monitoring, DreamHost keeps your website up and running all the time. If at any time your site is experiencing downtime, but just in case, you'll receive compensation too. And if you want to check the current status of any critical issues, downtime, and system updates, check out the DreamHost status website anytime. Again, DreamHost really excels at itself when it comes to ensuring that it has the hosting services it needs to run a successful website. All shared hosting plans come back with a 97-day money-back guarantee, and all DreamPress plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. With this generous refund policy, all DreamHost customers begin to build trust with them from the outset, which can drive business growth. After all, many e-commerce stores claim that when they lengthen their refund period, they actually see a decrease in refunds and an increase in sales. There will likely be time when you need to contact someone for support. That is why it is important to know that a qualified member of the team will help you at any time. DreamHost has a real people on standby to help you solve all your problems. They're experienced in web hosting and WordPress and can help you solve any problems you run into. Little known, Scala Hosting manages to deliver great features, high performance, and attractive prices in one convenient package. Shared plans are a great choice for small websites, and the company's proprietary hosting panel also lets you harness the full power of a VPS solution. Don't let this web hosting gem go unnoticed. Scala Hosting offers 3 hosting types to choose from: classic shared hosting, managed VPS, and self-managed VPS. For small to medium-sized websites, from personal blogs to more advanced business pages, shared hosting plans are more than enough. Let's start with the shared hosting plans. There seem to be 2 subtypes available: web hosting and WordPress hosting, but there is really no difference between the two. From now on, I will refer to both of them simply as shared hosting. Shared hosting is offered in 3 flavors, where the main variables are available disk space and additional features. I opted for the simplest mini plan and got a whopping 10 GB of storage. That's enough to house thousands of HD images, hours of HD video, and unlimited text. The other 2 plans include unlimited disk space if you adhere to a fair use policy. Great features like cPanel, free website migration, unlimited websites, automatic CMS installers, backups, and SSL certificates are available on all 3 plans. SSL certificates are essential for any serious website owner as they encrypt your visitors' connections and keep them private. With an SSL certificate, your site will also love the beautiful log in the address bar. VPS has a lot to offer you, so let me elaborate on that. Using regular shared hosting, you share server resources with many other users. This means that there is always the possibility that you will not have enough processor power or RAM to keep your site running properly. Since you also share your IP address with your hosting neighbors, there is an additional risk of being blacklisted for their actions. For example, if another user on your server sends spam marketing messages or even offers pirated downloads, you will all be blacklisted together. This means that you don't show up on Google and your emails go straight to spam. A VPS solves all of this since you will get private access to a specific set of resources. Compared to a shared hosting plan, VPS administration and management can be much more complicated. Unless you don't have sPanel. sPanel, developed exclusively by Scala Hosting itself, is a VPS control panel like a few others. It allows you to easily customize the amount of resources available for your websites, comes with built-in security software, and supports the ultra-fast NGINX web server technology. It also includes must-have features like backups, usage statistics, and SSL integration. No matter what type of hosting you choose, you will automatically be protected by S-Shield Scala Hosting. It is a complete security system with 24/7 monitoring and can currently successfully block intruders 99.99%. Starting from a second plan in shared hosting, Scala Hosting offers managed WordPress service. To fully appreciate this great feature, you first need to understand the norms of the hosting industry. With Scala Hosting, you will have access to expert help for WP plugin troubleshooting, site errors, incompatibilities, and a host of other time-consuming horrors that can plug your site.